The notification arrived at 3 a.m., showing something that hadn't happened yet. In 2021, a homeowner in suburban Texas installed a smart doorbell camera after a series of break-ins nearby. For weeks, nothing unusual happened. Then one night, his phone vibrated at 3:12 a.m. Motion detected. He opened the app. The video showed his front porch, but something was wrong. The timestamp read 3:47 a.m., 35 minutes in the future. On the screen, a man stood at the door. He wore a hood. His face was turned slightly away. He raised his hand and knocked. The homeowner checked the live feed. The porch was empty. No one outside. No movement. Confused, he refreshed the app. The recorded clip remained unchanged. At exactly 3:47 a.m., there was a knock on his door. Slow.